Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make whole chicken. Hours. For this recipe, you would need some lemon slices, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 4 tablespoons of oil of your choice, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon crushed chili peppers, 1 teaspoon of coarsely ground red peppercorn, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger paste, and 1.5 tablespoons of garlic paste. In a large bowl, add butter, oil, lemon juice, ginger and garlic paste. Mix everything well. Next, add all the dry ingredients: salt, red chili flakes, paprika powder, and red peppercorn, and mix well. Then pat dry the chicken with paper towel and then apply butter and mix all on top and under the skin of the chicken. Place the lemons under the skin. Place the chicken in the bowl, then cover and refrigerate for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Place the chicken in a baking sheet or tray and cover the whole sheet with foil. And bake on 350 degrees until there is no pink left. This can take 2 hours or more depending on the size of the chicken. 1 hour into the baking process, remove the foil, flip the chicken, breast side down. This will help keep the chicken moist and juicy. In the last 10 minutes, turn the broiler on and bake in broiler to make the skin crispy. You can serve with baked or grilled vegetables. One hour into the baking process, remove the foil, flip the chicken, breast side down. This will help keep the chicken moist and juicy. As a side dish with the whole chicken, I will be making spring mix salad with yogurt parmesan dressing. For this recipe, you will need a spring mix, tortilla strips, pumpkin seeds, and cranberry. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.